So hey guys, how's everyone doing? Right now I'm about to show you guys how I achieved this orange color that I now have in my hair that you guys will get to see. And like I said, this is from the Flossy Mink extensions that I did a review on just a couple of weeks ago. And right now I'm just getting my BTW and putting it in the bowl, and I used a 30 volume developer. And by the way, guys, I used a lot of bleach because I needed to achieve like a lot of color, and I ended up bleaching the hair twice. So when dyeing the hair, I always start off with my longer bundles, and then I go to my smallest. Now when you're dyeing hair, make sure that you saturate the hair in bleach. And for the color that I'm trying to achieve, I had to put a lot of bleach on this hair, like I just said a couple minutes ago. So now you're seeing me like drown the hair in bleach because I needed to be dyed like a good blonde. And let me just tell y'all this, y'all. My eyes were on fire, like from the from it being so much bleach. Like my eyes were burning so bad. So, child, if you gonna dye some hair, just be prepared. So I slowed this part down for y'all. When you're dyeing a closure and you have to get a color that's really close to the root, guys, you have to take your time on this because you can really mess up a closure. So I actually took my time when I was doing this, and I had to get in every little part of the closure. Like I had to dye the whole entire closure, not just the ends, the entire. Like I had to put parts in the closure and put bleach on it, put parts in the closure, put bleach on it. I want the bleach to be everywhere. So y'all, I washed his hair out and this is the results I got. And I was like, no ma'am. So I kindly went to the store and got me some toner and now guys, when I use toner, this time when I use a toner, I use two different toners. I use T18 and T35. And I'll put both of them on the hair. Now, I'll put T18 on the closure, and my longer bundles, I put T35 because I want my closure to be the lightest. So therefore, that's why I put T18 on them. But it turned out, you're going to see how it turns out in a second. So the hair turned out like this. Now I took 2 Cajun spices and 1 bottle of ginger and the Odor hair dye. And I put all of those in one thing and mixed it together. And this is the color that it gave me. Now, when I was finished dyeing all of these bundles, I let them sit for a good 2 hours, like soaking in this dye, because I wanted the orange to show bright. I wanted it to be a bright orange. And now you see me dumping the rest of the dye to the bottle for dear life because I was running out and I know I didn't have time to go to the store. So guys, after waiting for 2 whole hours letting the hair saturate the dye, this is what I got. So can't wait to see you guys in part 2. I will be showing you guys how I install it and how I put it on my head and how the color comes out. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.